Let's take a look at this problem. Negative 5 times x minus 2 is greater than 3 times x plus 1. Now we want to solve this linear inequality, write it in set builder notation, interval notation, and graph it. Now our first step, get rid of parentheses. This one we have parentheses in. We're going to do it via distributive property. So the number in front of the parentheses indicates multiplication. So we're going to take negative 5 times x, and we'll take negative 5 times negative 2. And over here we're going to take the 3 times the x, and we'll take 3 times the 1. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 2 gives us a positive 10. It's greater than 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. Now step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any fractions. Step 3, get everything with an x on the left side, numbers on the right. So I'm going to take the 3x over to the left side, and I'll take the 10 to the right side. Remember, when you move anything across your inequality symbol, the sign changes. So we've got negative 5x minus 3x is greater than 3 minus 10. Combine together like terms at any step. Like terms, same variable, the same power. Negative 5, negative 3 gives us negative 8x. And combine together numbers at any step. 3 minus 10 is negative 7. Now our last step is to divide both sides by a number in front of your x. Well, the number in front of our x here is negative 8. So we divide both sides by negative 8. Now if you divide both sides by a negative number, you flip your inequality symbol. So our greater than becomes a less than. Negatives 8s cancel. And we've got x is less than, these negatives cancel. We've got x is less than 7/8. Set builder notation. You put curly brackets around it, x with a vertical bar. And how you read that is that's the set of all x values such that x is less than 7/8. Now it's a less than, so it's going to negative infinity. Now infinities always have parentheses on them. Specifically, it's just a less than, which means this is parentheses. If it was a less than or equal to, we would have put a bracket. Graph-wise, parentheses on the 7/8, parentheses on the 7/8. And we shade whichever way it's opening. And the parentheses open to the left, so we shade to the left. And those are our answers.